Chic Minimalist Decor. 2025 Trends in Modern Furniture and Natural Elements for Homes and Apartments. As we step into 2025, the world of home and apartment decor evolves to embrace a harmonious blend of chic minimalist interiors, modern furniture, and natural elements. This year's trends are all about creating serene, inviting spaces that exude both elegance and simplicity. The key is to combine clean lines and neutral tones with organic textures, thereby achieving a balance that feels simultaneously contemporary and timeless. By focusing on these elements, homeowners can craft environments that not only look beautiful but also promote a sense of well-being. Central to these trends are focal decor pieces that captivate and define spaces. Statement art and sculptural lighting are perfect examples, offering unique opportunities to infuse personality and depth into your living areas. These elements serve as conversation starters and focal points that draw the eye, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming it. Such pieces encourage a deep sense of connection to the space and can be tailored to reflect personal tastes and styles. Natural materials are foundational in this decor paradigm, seamlessly intertwining with modern aesthetics. Incorporating elements like wood, stone, and greenery brings warmth and life into your home, fostering a peaceful, grounded atmosphere. Picture sleek, modern furniture juxtaposed against rustic wood accents or complemented by an array of lush indoor plants. This combination creates a calming oasis, a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Textural layering is another critical aspect of these trends, where the play of different fabrics and materials adds depth and coziness. Imagine the tactile pleasure of linen cushions, the softness of wool throws, or the earthy feel of jute rugs. These textures not only enhance the visual appeal of a space, but also offer sensory comfort, enveloping you in an aura of relaxation and contentment. Such thoughtful details make your home a genuine sanctuary where you can unwind and rejuvenate. Whether you're redecorating a compact apartment or executing a comprehensive home makeover, the 2025 decor trends are about crafting spaces that inspire and refresh. Embrace the essence of minimalism with carefully chosen decor that resonates with your inner self. Let your living environment narrate a story of sophistication, nurturing not just aesthetics, but also a deeper connection to nature and tranquility. With these trends, any space can be transformed into a haven of style, peace, and rejuvenation that you'll be thrilled to call your own.